Why did JP Morgan make this statement about XRP? Will XRP plummet or soar? Should we continue to hold Ripple's XRP as a valuable investment? Continue watching this video to learn more, and make sure you don't miss out on an outstanding chance to win a giveaway of 25 XRP tokens at the end of this month. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to XRP Hut, your one-stop shop for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss XRP and what JP Morgan has to say about it. So keep your eyes on the prize. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and enable post notifications by clicking the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads, and also enter our prize. Now that we've gotten everything out of the way, let's get into today's video. Ripple and its digital asset XRP have long been a hot issue in the cryptocurrency community. Many crypto enthusiasts have contended that the San Francisco-based fintech business has been increasingly partnering with well-known banks and corporations. Before we get into today's topic, let's go over what happened in June 2021. According to a study conducted at JP Morgan's Macro, Quantitative, and Derivatives Conference, nearly half of respondents regard cryptocurrencies as a passing craze, and only 10% of institutional investing firms questioned by JP Morgan trade digital assets. And 4 out of every 5 of the remaining 90% have no plans to join those areas. Surprisingly, when asked about their own investments, 40% of those polled actively traded with numerous cryptocurrencies, according to a survey. It was judged to be somewhat prevalent in the crypto realm by 95% of those polled. Regulators are anticipated to be harder on the emerging industry. 4/5 of investors expect stronger enforcement as the ecosystem evolves, and there will be no justification to not align with other asset classes. JP Morgan then joined current investors in the HQLA-X Series B fundraising round. Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, Citigroup, BNP Paribas Securities Services, and the Deutsche Börse Group are among the key investors. The HQLA technology enables market players to effortlessly transfer ownership of securities across diverse collateral pools at precise times. Participants were able to optimize their liquidity management and collateral management processes, resulting in operational efficiency gains and capital cost savings. The majority of HQLAX's clientele are financial institutions involved in securities lending and collateral management. JP Morgan is already a tri-party agent on the HQLA-X platform, and it will also join its agency securities lending business in the second half of 2021. The nature of its delivery vs. delivery ownership transfers saves clients funds by lowering credit risk as well as operational risk. In 2018, Deutsche Börse Group stated that, in collaboration with HQLA-X, they were developing a securities lending service based on the R3 Corda blockchain platform. The bank backed HQLA-X's initial steps with a single-digit euro million investment for a minority participation through its corporate venture capital arm, T-Bone Ventures. HQLA-X's blueprint version was created in 2017 using R3's Corda and 5 project participants in order to develop the proof of concept into a future production platform. Let's take a look at R3, a competitor who became a partner by offering XRP options at a discount. R3 is a well-known Ripple Labs competitor who sued XRP founder in 2017 over cryptocurrency options worth more than $1 billion. According to the lawsuit, Ripple's CEO attempted to terminate the options provided to R3 in 2016 when they increased in value due to a rise in the value of Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency. The contract was an option to purchase 5 billion XRP at a revised price of 85 cents. Then, in 2018, Ripple filed a countersuit for $12 billion. Both parties eventually agreed, but the SEC vs. Ripple litigation disclosed an enterprise software firm's entitlement to purchase 1.4 billion XRP in 2019. It is thought to be known as R3. According to the paper, Ripple entered into a deal with a Manhattan-based enterprise software firm that allowed the company the option to buy up to 5 billion XRP at a greatly reduced price in exchange for efforts to assist Ripple in developing a purpose for XRP. The quantity of XRP available for purchase through the option was reduced. An option investor B purchased at least 1.4 billion XRP in 2019. And despite the fact that R3 and Ripple fought in the same space, the options demonstrated how Ripple transformed R3 into a partner. R3 introduced its new Corda settler platform with Ripple's XRP as its basis currency at the end of 2018. Corda Settler is an open-source, decentralized application that supports worldwide payments across enterprise blockchain networks with Ripple's XRP as its foundation currency. Payments can be made in any coin, as the core settler is agnostic. Moving on, while JP Morgan and its partners are institutionally avoiding the crypto markets, the bank is now heavily invested in blockchain technology. They have made an investment in R3 Corda's blockchain-powered securities financing firm HQLA-X, which was the first to manage collateral using Baton Systems' shared ledger. Recently, crypto assets have been under pressure, with Bitcoin briefly falling below the $30,000 barrier. The cryptocurrency market capitalization remains below $1.5 trillion. The downward spiral is thought to have been prompted by China's escalating crackdown on cryptocurrency mining and trade. Nonetheless, it is widely acknowledged that the largely unregulated space has enabled retail traders to get exposure with exceptionally high leverage, particularly in Asia-Pacific states. While this allows for bigger gains in speculative trading, it also exponentially accelerates losses, explained Natalia Hunick, Chief Revenue Officer at Advanced Markets. The type of volatility we see in crypto assets is unusual when compared to traditional financial instruments. So given the combination of lower liquidity and higher volatility, over-leveraged crypto trading has a greater chance of generating a cycle or trend and ultimately driving the price of the crypto asset down. So, is the JPM coin a threat to Ripple? JP Morgan Chase went on CNBC and stated that they would develop an internal crypto asset fittingly titled JPM Coin. The transaction would be backed by genuine US dollars, according to the director of the Wall Street Institution's blockchain branch. It will begin with Quorum, JP Morgan's private Ethereum-based chain. Later on, the asset will be multi-chain, with interoperability solutions allowing the JPM coin to transact in other ecosystems. The Wall Street CEO stated that his team hopes to eventually make the company into a versatile asset for the bank's operations, while the stablecoin is used anywhere there is a distributed ledger, which includes corporations and institutions. For the time being, however, a JP Morgan executive stated unequivocally that the new service is aimed to boost the company's internal but worldwide corporate transactions. While this initiative may have an innocuous premise, several crypto experts were quick to point out on Twitter that Ripple's services and the XRP ledger's functionality could come under threat. Delphi Digital's principal analyst, Tom Shaughnessy, recently told Bloomberg that the JPM coin was a huge slap in the face for Ripple, and that the fintech company's cross-border payments and remittances will fail. Travis Kling, the chief investment officer at Ikigai, agreed wholeheartedly. According to Bloomberg, while Quorum is more like Google Sheets than Bitcoin, JPM coin definitely competes with Ripple Labs. Kling and Shaughnessy then raised light to issues such as XRP. Kling joked that it was a centralized cryptocurrency and refuted Ripple's CEO views when the Delphi Digital researcher observed that the volatility of XRP would be problematic for institutions seeking cross-border payments. Surprisingly, a large portion of the crypto community agreed to it. Moon Overlord, a well-known Bitcoin trader, commented that he was surprised that JP Morgan launched its own coin instead of XRP. Others joked that JP Morgan destroyed the XRP dream, among other things. In addition, a managing partner at Multicoin Capital stated that banks never meant to utilize XRP for billing and concluded that JP Morgan would destroy Ripple. Despite all of these negative comments about Ripple, the popular cryptocurrency's value has remained relatively stable despite being embroiled in a never-ending lawsuit with the SEC. Ripple's prices have remained relatively stable, and many experts believe that Ripple is only set to rise in the future. That's all we've got for you today, fellas. Will XRP usher in a new banking system? Will Ripple's investors become wealthy in the future? Participate and let us know what you think in the comments section below. How do you feel about XRP? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on future films, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we release a video on the newest XRP and cryptocurrency news. You can watch our previous movies about XRP or other cryptocurrencies till the next video is released. Thank you for viewing, and we will see you in the future video.